Today I am going to show you how to fix your HP DeskJet 4310 printer that is printing the blank pages. In case your printer is missing any ink, black or color ink, then you can just follow this video. Sometimes we don't use the printer from long time and over the time the ink get dries and that clogs the print head. Or if you check on the printer control panel, if the ink is about to finish, even then this can happen. Now right now we can see ink is almost half in the ink cartridges, so it should be printing normal, but it's not doing that. To fix the problem, go to the smartphone and open the HP app. So we'll just start the process from the HP app. In the app, scroll down and look for the option Diagnostics. Click on the print quality tools. Select view all print quality tools. Look for the cartridge cleaning option. It comes under the cleanup. Click clean. There are two levels. Level 1 takes very less ink, it's very good. Level 2 takes a lot of ink. Just to save the ink, we'll start with the level 1 and we can keep repeating it until we get the proper result. So we don't have to go for the level 2. So after doing little bit cleaning of the print heads, automatically it will print the diagnostic page. So we'll just wait for that. Let's check the print, but it says, so right now the print quality diagnostic report says all the inks are working, but there are lines and we can see the lines here. So some of the inks are missing and in some places. If you don't see the results like this, then you have to click on the clean again and select level 1. This will clean the print heads again and it will help you to fix that. So that's the two things I'm going to right now, and in case even that fails, then we will go for the manual print head cleaning. So let's wait for that. So here we can see it has started to print and again some lines are there. Just to fix that issue, we are going to do the manual print head cleaning. For that, first we have to open the front chamber, open the second chamber, take the print heads out. So in case black is not working properly, you can take the black out. If color is not working, then you can take the color out. Clean the print heads. You can take a damp paper or a cleaning wipe that has alcohol. So right now I'm just going to use the cleaning wipe. So you just have to rub the print head like this. So you will see it will unclog the print head. Do it little bit, you don't have to press it too hard. Same with the black. So I think we have done enough cleaning right now. After the cleaning, we have to reinstall the print heads. Go to the front chamber, install the black ink cartridge, push it in all the way and you will hear a lock sound. Same with the color ink cartridge. Close the door and here we have to click on the clean again and select the level 1. So this will help the ink cartridge to push the ink inside the printing parts. So wait for here. Again it's going to print the quality report. Let's check the results. because we have done the manual print head cleaning. After that it will display more lines for the starting. So do it 2 times. We will do the cleaning 2 times. Once you do it once, and then click on the clean again and level 1. So after doing 4 to 5 times, it will start working properly. So just wait here. Now let your printer settle down and it will start to work normal. And here we can just finish this cleaning. Just to save the ink, click on the done and go to the main app. Now in case after doing so many things like this, if your printer is still not printing anything, if black is not working or particular color ink is not working, then it means it needs a replacement for the ink cartridge. Sometimes the ink is too dry inside, and when we do the cleaning, even then it won't work because there is no moisture or liquid inside the print heads. So it's better to replace the ink cartridges in that case. And if you don't want to buy that, you can just use this printer on the single cartridge mode. That means you just have to open the front chamber. Now if your color ink cartridge is not working, you can just remove the color ink cartridge and then close this chamber. Now you can start using the printer just on the single cartridge mode. It will display on the screen that one ink cartridge is there, but the other one will keep flashing, but we can still use it. For example, I'm just going to show you a copy. So this printer has a ADF tray on the top and we can use that for the copy process. It will only copy in the black. Now in case your black ink cartridge is finished, then you can just remove that and use the color ink cartridge. So this will help you to save the ink. So you can see it has printed just in the black. So that's the method to use the remaining ink. Even after doing everything, if nothing is working properly, like there are no inks, nothing is showing up, then you have to replace the ink cartridges. Thank you.